go.
Yeah, go cooker.
Yes!
To yours.
Is that good?
Oh,
Can we have another go?
absolutely not. Hello and welcome to the only show on the internet where the competition is as hot as a stone oven and the jokes are as cheesy as a Goodfella's pizza on a weeknight. I'm Niall Gray and this is the really good pizza game show. Over 4 piping hot pizza-themed games, our teams fight for slices on the scoreboard and the chance to dominate the pizza. Without further ado, let's meet today's contestants.
On Team Margarita, it's one half of comedy supper club duo Mam Sham, Maria, and her pizza powerhouse posse, Milo and Nawaz.
Team Margarita,
What's up?
over to you guys then.
I'm actually kind of the glue, I guess. That's brought us together. It's Milo, my best friend, and this is Nawaz, my other half.
I love it, love it. You are the spine to this relationship.
I might be, yeah. The
Good.
throuple.
The thruple. It's Team Margarita!
And on Team Pepperoni, it's comedian and team captain Tom, backed up by his mates, solicitor Ben, and real-life magician Sam.
And how do you guys know each other?
I know these two really well. They've just met each other today.
Hey! And you're all comedians, that's fun.
Yeah.
Team Pepperoni! I think that is enough chat from myself, and I think we should play our very first game, don't you?
Yeah.
Yes, good. Well, our first game is all about teamwork and a lot of mozzarella. And if you play this one properly, Goodfella's pizza won't be the only thing that's deliciously cheesy. Okay, let's play Covered in Cheese! In this first round, you need to cover your teammate head to toe in grated cheese as they lie on this giant pizza base. One of you will be blindfolded as you fetch the cheese from the bucket and sprinkle it over the giant pizza. And the other will be their eyes, instructing them along the way. Each team has got 60 seconds to achieve as much coverage as possible, and the team who I deem to have the most cheesiest, most delicious looking pizza at the end wins. Got it?
Yeah,
Got it.
Got it?
Yes. Yeah.
Good. Team Margarita, you are up first. Who is going to be my pizza base?
Nawaz is.
Nawaz, goggles are on.
I'm in.
Definitely on.
I will be the eyes.
You'll be the eyes,
I
okay.
will be the eyes.
So that leaves you, Milo. You are going to be doing the cheese distribution. Don't know about you, but I'm getting hungry. Your time starts now.
Let's go for
Milo,
this.
really slowly, really slowly.
How's the
slowly.
pizza? Am I about to...
Yep, you're fine.
Pizza's
You've got
good.
plenty
I like
of
the
space.
stance.
You've got plenty of space.
go a bit quicker
From the-
then.
No.
Yeah, go cooker.
Yep. A bit more. Yeah.
Ah,
okay, now
we got
listen
the
to me.
cheese now.
Wait, Milo, listen to me.
What?
Okay, I think the best thing to do is get as much cheese in your hands as possible.
Oh, no. Is
And
this
then
good?
from a height. Yeah,
No.
don't go anymore.
No, I'll try that.
There.
That is
Yeah, here we
Okay. Okay, but be careful because you're getting quite near the crust.
Okay.
So don't get. Okay, yeah,
Well, there's
perfect.
loads.
I don't want feet on my
Okay,
pizza.
yeah,
Yeah, good?
nice. Yeah, left.
Oh, yeah.
Come to me a bit more.
I can hear your voice. Am I gonna step on crust,
No,
though?
you're good,
Out of your way.
you're good. That's fantastic.
Where am I
Right,
now?
start again, get some more, because I can see too much of his chest. Okay, no, get the cheese. Get the
Where
cheese.
are the cheese at now?
Go forward. Come on.
Good tips.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, cool. Now come to my voice.
How
Come
much
to my
time?
voice. I don't know, come to my voice. Come quickly,
Okay, I'm
man.
coming. I'm coming,
to-
man.
Okay,
God, this is what the food feels like.
Okay, cool.
I don't want to see anybody.
Nice.
Oh! Very good. Maria, you happy with that?
Yeah, I think that's incredible. I'd order that in a restaurant.
I would as
yeah,
well,
yeah.
actually. Good coverage.
If that came to me out of an oven, fresh,
Yeah?
I'd be like, yep, that's pretty spot on, I'd say.
Okay.
Milo, what do you think?
It is
It's just like a mama used to make.
That's my man.
Oh, perfect. Team Margarita, you've done an absolutely fantastic job. I think we should find out how Team Pepperoni does now.
Boo.
Who is going to be my pizza base?
That's me.
Ben.
Yep.
How comes you've decided to be my pizza base?
Well, 2 things I love, lying down and pizza, and obviously it combines the two, so...
Get on round here. Let's merge the two together. And who's going to be distributing the cheese on this one?
I'll be myself.
Come on, Tom. Are you a fan of making pizza? Have you made many in your days?
Probably about 1.
Okay, how did that go?
Pretty good.
Say no more. So Sam, it's over to you. You are the eyes of this operation.
Yep.
Feeling focused?
Yeah, I love watching my friends lie down. I went out to see you.
Love it. Ben, you were looking very relaxed there.
I'm loving it down there.
All right. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Let's start the clock in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, angle yourself a little to the left, Tom. and start walking forward.
Quite anticlimactic.
Just do one perfect cartwheel. To your right, to your right, to your right. Faster, forward, right.
It's scary.
I want to remind you, you've only got 60
Forward.
seconds.
Yeah. Keep going forward.
And most of our time.
Keep going forward, keep going forward, keep going forward.
Keep going,
Right.
you're fine.
Forward. Left,
Our pizza's looking very bare, guys.
And you're at the bucket. And follow my voice.
Okay, what's the technique
Come
here?
get it. Cram it in.
So, yeah.
Time's running out.
Just lob it at me. Lob it at me, my
You're on
voice.
the crust.
Yeah.
Yes!
One more then.
Great.
We got it. One more then.
Spot on.
Tom, it's perfect. You're not going to believe it. Keep coming, keep it going, keep it going.
Am I near his face?
No.
What are we
Okay, one more then. A little more towards you.
inspired?
I'm really inspired.
Yeah.
Stop the pizza making.
No, I feel stupid.
Why do you feel stupid, Sam?
You look stupid.
Sam, is this what you had in mind?
Right, my girlfriend is Italian and she would make them exactly like this. So.
I haven't got a lot to say because there's not a lot of cheese on my human.
No, yeah. She's not very good at making pizza, my girlfriend, so. Yeah, it's not great, is it?
Back behind your podiums, please. You've done enough. Okay, so we have reviewed the results and it was a close one. But as the game was called Covered in Cheese and not 1 or 2 bits of cheese on the belly, we're going to give the points to Team Margarita! Grab a slice from under your plinth and go and pop it on the scoreboard. Nicely done. Let's cut to the crust and let's play our next game. This is our picture perfect round because, as my nonna always used to say, a pizza is worth 1,000 words. You'll be shown 4 pizza-themed images, each accompanied by a headline that has a portion blanked out. All you have to do, fill in the blanks, and a correct answer wins a point. Got it? Got it?
Got it.
Good. Pizza delivery driver saves family from blank, then finishes delivery. Get chatting. I'm thinking over here. Some good
No,
whispering.
this is good.
Thinking it's some kind of disease.
Okay, keeping it light. Let's lock in those answers, please. Team Margarita, let's start off with you then. So, a pizza delivery driver saves family from what?
We've written disaster.
Oh, a little pizza-based pun. Okay, and over to you, Team Pepperoni.
Salmonella.
Bit more logistic. Tom, what did you think of that pun?
Tom, you know that you don't like puns.
What was it again? Disaster.
Disaster.
It's brilliant.
And on that note, I can reveal that both teams did in fact get it wrong. It is saves family from burning building, then finishes delivery.
That's a bit sinister.
Man robs pizza shop, returns hours later for blank. What's he returning for? Was he forgot after the robbery?
I know that pizza.
Nightmare. And that is time. All right, Team Pepperoni, I'm going to come over to you first. So, fill in the blank, please. Man robs pizza shop, returns hours later for...
A kiss.
Oh.
Romantic.
Team Margarita, over to you then.
Man robs pizza shop, then returns hours later for seconds.
Okay, I'm going to give it to Team Margarita. What I had down here, he returned for a slice, which is in fact
Second slide.
Good work, Team Margarita. Teen takes pizza to blank instead of a date. Okay, Team Margarita. Teen takes pizza to where instead of a date? From. Team Pepperoni. Where's the teen taking this person?
To the cinema, we went a bit more sensible on this one to try and get it right.
Oh, okay. You tried, but unfortunately the point is going over to Team Margarita. That is right. Grab another slice and place it on the pizza. All right, it's time for the next game, and let me set the scene for a second. You're sitting on the sofa with one of your teammates. The last slice of Goodfella's stone-baked pizza is sitting there on the coffee table. You're happy to split it, of course you are. But will it be fair? Let's play half and half. In this game, each contestant has one attempt at halving one of these. We have a tomato, a bell pepper, and a delicious Goodfellas slice. Who will cut them as evenly as possible? Only time and the scales will tell. Good?
Good.
Good? Good. First up, we're going to head over to Team Pepperoni. Who's slicing the tomato?
That's me.
Benny boy, come around, my friend. So what's the tactic here? I mean, there's only so many tactics you can have slicing a tomato, but talk me through it.
Yeah, I'm thinking straight chop down, use the bicep and the tricep in conjunction to go straight through the matter. That's my, tactic.
Go now, please. Okay. You're even going down the stalk.
Yeah.
It's good to see. You can, that was quick.
Oh, wow, that was impressive.
Let's weigh this side of the tomato first, please. That is 87 grams. Let's see the second half. 82! Not bad. Team Margarita, who's slicing the tomato, please? Nawaz. Are you steady with your hands?
I'd say I'm pretty good fella.
Pretty confident.
You go that way. There you go, thank you.
I would actually turn it upside down.
Oh, just do it blind?
And I would look, no, upside down, like stalk on the bottom.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
And it's happening. It's happening.
Oh, I've completely messed up.
Can we have another go?
Absolutely not. And that is 88 grams.
Well,
75.
Oh, right, I'm out.
Okay. So that is 1 point over to Pepperoni. Pepperoni then, who is going for the bell pepper?
Myself.
Come on, Tom. Go over here. Now, Tom, I've heard that you're quite calm under pressure. Is that right?
I am, yeah. The thing is about pressure, you just got to realise that nothing matters. And what's the worst that could ever happen? Nothing.
I'm going to hang that in my kitchen. That is a great quote to have. Get it down, ya. Ooh.
It's compensated by
That did look like half, though, didn't it? Where I was.
Let the scales do the judging.
Okay.
That is 81 grams.
Oh.
Second half.
Tell you without emotion.
They love me.
Oh my God, the suspense.
Right, ready?
Hey!
Oh, whoa, that is 123 grams.
What was that one?
81.
That's not good then, is it? The issue is, was this what a female one? Well, underneath, you know what I mean?
Excuse me?
Peppers are either female or male, do you know that?
No idea. And how can you
That's
tell?
true, isn't it?
I think it's fluid.
Well, I've learned something today.
Yeah.
And that is a difference of 42. Thank you very much, Tom.
Thanks, Mum.
Good chopping there. Team Margarita, bell pepper is yours.
Trying my best.
Did you get any tips there?
well, I'm not going to gender the pepper.
Let's see it then.
Okay. I normally wear full chainmail when I'm slicing. But
It's looking good.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. You've done some nice action down the stalk there.
I think I have, actually.
Let's find
Yeah,
out.
I do, yeah.
Let the scales tell the story. That is 95 grams. All right, let's see the second half. Got to match 95. And you've got 90.
That's all right.
5 in the margin. Very good. That is 1 point each. But I tell you what, this next round, it's all to play for. Team Pepperoni, get over it.
See, I feel like it's unfair that there's pepperoni on ours because it's knocked the balance off a bit.
Can you eat one?
Yeah, can I eat one?
Get it in
That's
there.
where I'm going.
Surgical.
Ah, it's off that.
Are you happy with that?
No.
All right, let's weigh this half first, please. That is 47 grams. Let's match that up. And that's 39. That's 8 grams in it, Sam.
That's not bad.
It's not awful.
Really. Then my hands are quite big, so these are stuck.
I'll give you a minute. Okay, good work. Thank you very much, Sam. Milo, get yourself over here. What is your favourite topping on a pizza, by the way?
Oh, I love a mushroom and ham.
Mushroom and ham's a good choice.
It's standard, though.
Well, margarita, admittedly, is probably a little bit more standard.
Hey, don't talk about my team like
Hey, no disrespect. We love a classic. All right, let's get that pizza on, and let's see you split that down the middle.
Okay.
Good technique. Happy with it?
Hold on, you've got this.
That is 48 grams. Second slice, Milo, please. It's flying. It's down. And that is 50 grams. Which does mean, congratulations, Team Margarita. That is another point over to you. Go on, yeah, take some slices back. You've earned it. And that is not only your prize. Go on, take a slice from behind your plinth there. Another slice to you, Team Margarita. Well done. But look, pepperoni. Don't worry about it, because this next game, it is all to play for. It is time for the fourth and final game of our show. It's our beloved trivia round. So let's play good questions, great answers. All right, this is a fingers on buzzers kind of game, except instead of buzzers, each team has a teeny tiny grater. First person to buzz in gets to answer the question. Team Margarita, let's hear your buzzer. Very delicate.
Oh, very lovely.
Team Pepperoni, let's hear yours. Oh. Not so delicate.
We're playing that game, are we?
There's two ways to win. Either complete the pizza using questions or have the most slices on the board when the buzzer goes off. If it's a tie, we'll settle it in the only way we know how, with the longest good. Got it?
Got it.
Got it.
Got it?
Got it.
Good. Fingers on buzzers. What country is the largest consumer of pizza per capita in the world?
Wow.
Straight over here.
America.
It is incorrect. So that means I'm handing it over to you, Margarita. Who do you think?
Per capita is like per person, isn't it?
So should you just pick a really small population?
Gonna have to push you for an answer.
Oh, goodness gracious.
Lock it in.
San Marino.
San Marino, it's not, it's Norway.
Oh, come on then.
All right, next question. In which decade was frozen pizza first introduced in supermarkets? Buzz in when you know. Pepperoni, over to you again.
1950s.
It is indeed. Congratulations. Get your slice, whack it up on the board.
Everyone was getting the freezer.
Nicely done.
That's a nice little...
The way in which a pizza slice dips at the end when held by the crust is also known as a what?
I'm just gonna guess.
Buzzed in over to Margarita.
I'm just gonna guess.
Okay.
A slop.
Oh, that's a good one.
It's not a slop. It's a very good answer, but Team Pepperoni, you can now steal this. Time's ticking. 3, 2, 1. It is a flop! No way! You thought that, didn't you?
I gave them half the answer.
I'm taking this off. This is over back to you now. Pepperoni, put it on there. Go on. Next question. Oh, and that is time. Which means it's time to settle things with the longest good. This is the game for all of you to play simultaneously, okay? It's like a really good choir, if you will. Whoever can say good for the longest time wins the game for their team. How's the lung capacity over here?
Good, we're working on it.
Good workout. Milo, you're a singer, right?
Yeah.
Good lung capacity?
We'll find out.
Oh, good tease. Okay, it's time to play. 3, 2, 1. That's one down. And still going strong, but you've already won it. Team Margarita is our winners. Showing off at the end there. Congratulations, you are our winners of the really good pizza game show. Team Pepperoni though, look, you tried so hard. I loved it. Thank you for coming. You don't leave empty-handed though. You've earned some memories that will last a lifetime.
I'll never look at pizza the same way again.
Thank you so much, and that is all we've got time for today. Thanks for watching the Really Good Pizza Game Show, and as always, remember, life's too short for bad pizza, so stay cheesy, my friends. It's a good from them.
Good.
And it's a good but not so good from them.
Good.
And it's a good from me. Good.
Good.